While the various self-adjusting brake adjuster designs vary in the manner in which they are installed and operate, all are designed to automatically maintain either a predetermined chute-to-drum clearance or a specific brake chamber stroke. Some self-adjusting brake adjusters adjust upon brake release, and some adjust upon brake application stroke. Self-adjusting brake adjusters can greatly reduce the need for manual adjustments. They should not have to be adjusted except for initial installation and at brake reline intervals. They do not, however, reduce the need for inspection and periodic lubrication and maintenance. Each manufacturer includes proper instructions for installation and maintenance of their brake adjusters. For proper performance, it is recommended that these instructions be followed to the letter. To manually adjust self-adjusting brake adjusters after a brake reline and/or initial installation, use the following procedure. If the self-adjusting brake adjuster utilizes an adjusting pawl, remove the pawl as shown. Failure to remove this pawl will result in damage to the adjusting mechanism when the self-adjuster is backed off. Some newer adjusting pawls do not require removal but have a quick release feature that can be released with a flat-end screwdriver or a button as shown. Rotate the adjusting mechanism until the lining contacts the drum. Pull on the brake adjuster arm to make sure it will not move. If there is movement, the adjustment was made in the wrong direction and the procedure needs to be reversed. Reverse the rotation, backing the adjuster off 1/2 turn. If the adjuster has an adjusting pawl, put it back on at this time. With the spring brakes released and caged, take a ruler measurement from the face of the air chamber to the center of the clevis pin. If the vehicle is equipped with an application gauge, make a 90 to 100 psi application. If the vehicle is not equipped with an application gauge, pump the brakes until the air system gauge reads 90 psi. Make a maximum pedal application and measure the amount of stroke at full application. The difference in inches from the released stroke and the applied stroke is the actual power stroke of the brake. Refer to the CDSA out-of-service criteria to find the maximum legal stroke for the chamber type of your vehicle. The free stroke measurement should be within 3/8 inch minimum and 5/8 inch maximum without brake drag when released. If the free play is in spec and the power stroke is out of spec, the foundation brake parts are out of specification and are allowing too much movement and flexing to obtain a proper adjustment. We will now describe how to inspect self-adjusting brake adjusters for adjustment with wheels down, as in normal safety lane inspections. Once again, be sure that the vehicle is secure from rolling. A self-adjusting brake adjuster should not have to be manually adjusted except for initial installation and at brake reline. Instead of manually adjusting the brake, the following procedure should be followed during inspection. With the spring brakes released and caged, take a ruler measurement from the face of the air chamber to the center of the clevis pin. If the vehicle is equipped with an application gauge, make a 90 to 100 psi application. If the vehicle is not equipped with an application gauge, pump the brakes until the air system gauge reads 90 psi. With the air system at 90 psi, measure the amount of stroke at full application. The difference in inches from the released stroke and the applied stroke is the actual power stroke of the brake. Refer to the CDSA out-of-service criteria to find the maximum legal stroke for the chamber type of your vehicle, in this case, the clamp type. If the stroke is less than the maximum legal stroke for the chamber size, then the adjustment inspection is complete. If this measurement is not attainable, a problem exists in the self-adjusting brake adjuster, or problems exist in the foundation brake. The foundation brake parts may be out of specification and allowing too much movement and flexing to obtain a proper stroke. Or the self-adjusting brake adjuster is not functioning properly. Perform a function test of the self-adjusting brake adjuster in accordance with the manufacturer's suggested procedures. Finally, we will describe